Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Thursday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We have a Storm Track 7 yellow alert day that will go into effect tonight and through Friday morning. Of course, we've been tracking the potential for snow and accumulating snow, along with slick travel for areas north of Highway 20. We're also tracking the second system to come in on Sunday. That could also give us some accumulating snow and slick travel for areas along and north of Highway 20. So another Storm Track 7 yellow alert day for Sunday as well. It's going to be pretty active going forward. So here's a look at future track, and today I'm going to have maybe a couple of flurries out there with more clouds and sunshine, but overall it's going to be dry, not expecting any issues, and high temperatures today, low to mid 40s. Let's pick this up around midnight. That's when some of the snow will work its way to around the Iowa-Minnesota border, as temperatures there are around freezing, but you see how it warms the further south you go. So that's going to play with these precip types a little bit as the radar tries to fill in to the south. You're likely going to see a transition from rain to snow or snow to rain, vice versa, somewhere along Highway 18, where temperatures are close to freezing, and then more rain to the south, snow to the north. With that wintry mix, it's basically rain, snow, and maybe some sleet mixing in with each other. So could be some light icing there as well. But as temperatures cool down through the overnight hours, that rain-snow line is going to slide to the south a little bit and could be as far south as about Highway 30 through the morning commute time frame of Friday. So meanwhile, you have snow, which could be heavy at times. That's going to be ongoing in our northern counties, rain, and maybe even some rumbles of thunder in our southern counties. And then, of course, that transition area from roughly Highway 20 to about Highway 30 through the morning commute, the entire morning commute tomorrow. It's going to be messy. That all will work its way out from northwest to southeast as we go through the late morning and early afternoon. So it should be just about done by noon or 1 p.m. tomorrow. And then from there, we actually see clouds decreasing in the afternoon and evening, and maybe more sunshine for Saturday. We'll catch our breath a little bit with these two systems that are coming through. Snowfall-wise, we've bumped the numbers up just a little bit. 2 to 5 inches now expected in our northern counties in the dark blue. So I think the closer you get to Winneshiek and Alameda County in the really far north, places like Decorah, you're going to look at maybe closer to 5 inches. Clayton County, Fayette County, probably about 2 to 4. Dubuque, probably 2 to 3 is what you're looking at there. Same with Olwine. New Hampton will say about 2 to 4 as well. Waterloo, most likely closer to 1. I think as you drop south of that line, south of Olwine, you're going to see more of that trace to 2-inch range. And then you get down to about Cedar Rapids, Tama, probably no measurable snow, just a trace, if anything at all, then just rain off to the south of there. And so lining up with where we're thinking the heaviest snow is going to fall, you have a winter weather advisory from 1 a.m. to 1 p.m., which is going to start tonight into tomorrow afternoon. So again, a little slick there for tomorrow's commute. Again, Saturday's dry, upper 30s, partly cloudy. Rain and snow yet again becomes likely on Sunday with highs in the low 40s. Now we'll have a southeast wind, pretty strong, but temperatures are going to be cold to start. So we have some light snow showers that work their way in Saturday night, but the bulk of the moisture is actually going to come in probably during the later morning into the afternoon of Sunday as this low gets pretty strong. And with that, again, starting off with perhaps some snow across the area, but as temperatures warm up, it's the opposite case. That rain-snow line will move to the north, which keeps our northern counties in the snow a bit longer than in the south, which is why we're going to have more accumulation there and yet another Storm Track 7 yellow alert day. But as we go through Sunday night and into Monday, temperatures keep going up, so it's mostly rain at that point. And on Monday, if conditions come together, we'll have to keep an eye out for a couple of thunderstorms that develop, and we'll have to monitor severe potential. Otherwise, that system will go off to our north. We get on the cooler side of things, so rain will turn back into snow by Monday night and into Tuesday morning. Then we'll move out by Tuesday midday. But again, not including what we're going to see tonight and tomorrow. Here's a look at snowfall potential. It gets higher the further north you go. The highest snowfall potential from Sioux Falls to about Minneapolis, but could be enough to really create some issues for us here in eastern Iowa. Low to mid 40s for today. Winds aren't horribly strong, and we'll see more clouds and sunshine. Yellow alert day starts tonight as lows are down to the 20s to mid 30s. Again, temperatures play a big role in how much accumulation we see, what kind of precipitation type it'll be, and so it'll be interesting to see what happens. Tomorrow, that will all move out by the afternoon, and highs are in the upper 30s to mid 40s with maybe a touch of afternoon sunshine. City by city forecast, highs are in the 30s for Saturday, and then of course that next system comes through Sunday through Tuesday. We're all the way up into the mid 50s on Monday, and then temperatures fall throughout the day on Tuesday. Very strong winds coming with that system as well. But I do think we'll have a chance to get back into the 50s with more rain by the end of next week.